Allworks is a provider of dry and wet hire equipment. We specialise in rail, so we do a lot of rail in and around metro areas as well as regional areas and the Pilbara in WA.
Allworks bought their first Volvo loader back in the 90s, and it's been a roaring success for both CJD and Allworks. Allworks started the conversation about electrics about 12 months ago, and it started around the fact that they wanted to provide a green solution and move with the times.
The project involves an extension of the existing Whiteman Park Tramway out to the new Whiteman Park train station. We have about 85% of materials that are used in this project have been recycled from some of the existing Metronet projects. So the rail that we've got here is all being recut so that it can be welded back together to about 250 metre strings, and then it welded in one big long 1300 metre extension of the tramway out to the new station.
Excellent.
A lot of the turnout bearers have been recovered from existing projects, so they can be utilised in this area, the triangle. And then we've also got the sleepers. We're probably going to have around 2,500 sleepers that are recycled from some of the projects. And there's about 10,000 tonnes of ballast that we can utilise on the formation as well.
The Allworks CJD relationship started 25 years ago. Since then, Allworks have purchased over 100 units from CJD equipment. This has ranged from loaders, excavators and graders, and now they've purchased their first Volvo L25 electric loader.
This is a brand new baby that's just joined the fleet. So we've got in excess of 60 Volvo loaders in the fleet, as well as some excavators and trucks. And we're actually very proud to have the first electric loader in Australia to be able to utilise here at Whiteman Park in a pretty sensitive environmental area. We're alongside people that are having picnics, walking their dogs. You know, we've got cows and kangaroos, so the noise factor and the emissions factor is a big winner for us in this project.
So the important features of the electric wheel loader for this particular job site would be that it's very quiet. There's a lot of people walking their dogs or having picnics. There's a lot of kangaroos and wildlife around, so the noise levels won't disturb the wildlife or people enjoying Whiteman Park, as well as the fact that there's zero emissions, so it promotes a healthier work environment and for everyone here visiting the area. Additionally to that, the machine here has an auto shut-off feature. So what this means is that due to the nature of railway work, the guys will be in and out of the machine a lot throughout the day. A traditional wheel loader, diesel powered, would have had a lot of idle time in that kind of application, whereas the one behind me here will auto shut off, so you won't have that idle time and hours on the machine that you'd usually see.
The charging options for the electric loader are varied, so we're able to utilise 240 volt electric power, which is close by. Yeah, the feedback has been very positive across both our customers, the operators, and also the maintenance team. It's easy to charge, it doesn't take up a lot of space, it's very quiet. Obviously the emissions are nil, because, so it's good to put through the workshop in and around tight spaces. Residential areas is also good, especially on night shift. It's a very quiet machine.
As time goes on, people are really acknowledging and understanding the benefits now of electric machines. Very quiet, lower operational costs, and of course zero emissions. So companies like Allworks, who are taking first action, they can set the standard and provide a case study and inspire other companies to take their own action as time goes on.
I think it is definitely something that is a value add to our business. It's an expectation of our customers that we go electric. Not only metro, but we use machines in and around residential areas as well as environments like Whiteman Park, but also in the mining environment. So some of our customers expect that we will be moving with them towards green solutions.